In this video, we're going to be checking out a new camping mattress. I'm going to compare it to my favorite mattress, the Deep Sleep. I'll lay it out in the back of the 4Runner. I'll show you some of the highlights of the mattress. And for the first time, I'll be sleeping on it overnight. And I'm going to give you my final impressions in the morning. Stick around. Well, we made it to Sheep's Bridge, and everybody's setting up camp. If you follow my channel, you know I like to use the Deep Sleep mattress because I sleep out of the back of the 4Runner. So I'm going to do something a little bit different tonight. This company, Chii or Chii, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, contacted me and they wanted to see if I would test their mattress out, so I am going to. They sent it to me for free. I think it retails for about $130 on Amazon, but I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the bag, take a look at it, and we're going to sleep on it tonight. So let's hope I get a good night's sleep. This mattress is 75 inches long, 30 inches wide, and I think there are about 4 or 5 different other sizes that they offer. I think it's just under 3 inches thick. Carry bag is cool. It's not as compact as the Deep Sleep, which could be a problem because I have limited space in the 4Runner. Actually, I'll show you the size comparison. So you can see how wide this one is. I'm going to hold up the Deep Sleep one and show you that one. There's the Deep Sleep. The footprint's quite a bit smaller and that might make a difference, but I'm going to test a few things out with this one. Carry bag is cool. I'll give it a point for that. So it comes with 2 straps that they're clip straps that keep it contained. Let's see. I'm going to unravel it right now. This is a mattress cover for the foam, so it's a memory foam, and they do give you 2 of these, which is nice. It's got a textured underneath, probably to prevent slipping, and I did put it, by the way, I built a sleeping platform. If you follow the channel, I built a sleeping platform for underneath the mattress because I have the 3rd row seats, and there's a gap between the 2nd and 3rd row seats, so that'll take the gap up and make it a little bit easier on the back. This one's quite a bit wider. I think the Deep Sleep is 26 inches or so, maybe 27 inches. This one's 30, so it's a little bit, so it takes up a little bit more room. Also, it's not custom made for the 4Runner, it's kind of universal, so I don't have to cut out for the inner fender right here. So it'll take up more room that way instead of fitting snugly this way, so I'll take that into consideration too. We'll see if it has any effect on the way I sleep. You get an idea of how long it is. So that's touching the back of my seat right now. I don't need those inflators that I use for the Deep Sleep because I built this platform here. So it's sitting right on the back of the seat and it's supported. I'll show you a closer look here. See, it does not have the cutout right here like the Deep Sleep does. So the Deep Sleep is perfectly made for the 4Runner, and then the whole mattress slides against the wall, so it gives you more room on that side, which is pretty valuable real estate, but we'll see if it makes a difference. Talk to you in the morning, and we'll give you my final thoughts on this guy. So this is the Chii or Chii foam memory mattress. It's on Amazon, and they sent this one out for me to review. This is specific for not only the 4Runner, but for the 3rd row 4Runner. So it has the cutout right there, and then it goes to the top. I slept on that Chii mattress last night instead of the Deep Sleep. I had the Deep Sleep mattress with me, but I decided to try this new mattress. My initial impressions are it's a good mattress. I don't think it's as good as the Deep Sleep. However, it is less expensive than the Deep Sleep by probably $40 or $50. It's all memory foam. There's no air in there like the Deep Sleep, which is memory foam and air. I have a platform underneath the mattress, and I could definitely feel the firmness of the platform underneath, so it's not super supportive. But that's good for some people, and for some people it may not be good. It depends on what firmness you like when you sleep. So I would say that I would definitely use the mattress if I needed to. My first choice would be the deep sleep mattress, and I'll take that with me on future trips. However, I wouldn't hesitate to loan this mattress out to someone who needed it, who's sleeping in a tent, or using it if the deep sleep wasn't available. If I needed to rate the mattress, I would probably rate it 4 out of 5 stars. Overall, good to very good mattress for camping out. Thank you, King Chii, for sending it out to me.
I appreciate you watching. I will put links to the mattress in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one.